Good morning, children. Let's do another interesting lesson from our moral science book. Lesson number 12, Cultural Diversity. Our country is vast and diverse with respect to languages, geography, food, clothing, festivals, heritage sites, dances, traditions, and costumes. We are united in our cultural diversity and makes us proud to be Indians. So let's learn about united in difference in this lesson. The uniqueness of India is in its diversity in every sphere and from every aspect. Let's consider some of the facts to sustain this argument. There are about 1652 languages and dialects, some of which are spoken by very few people in our country. Followers of various faiths and been living here from time immemorial. Geographically speaking, we have everything: the Himalayas, which abundant with snow, the desert of Rajasthan, the forest of northeast, and Kerala with its perennial rivers and show geographical diversity also. The classical dance, music, and literature match with the diversity every step of the way. Festivals are rich and varied and celebrated with great fervour throughout the country. The food culture of the country is immense and varied, from the strict vegan to completely non-vegetarian, and we have all the flavors that could exist in the world. Clothing is as varied as it can get, partially because of the different weathers and partially because of the local costumes and usages. India is incredible precisely because it is so diverse in all the walks of life. With 29 states and 7 union territories, the country is divided according to the languages spoken. However, a sense of patriotism is so deeply embedded in the Indian thoughts, and it is the national pride that unites the people across as vast nation. It is in the sense of belonging which embraces all the faiths and cultures to its core, making them a singular entity, that of being an Indian. So children, in this lesson we have studied that in our country we have 1652 different languages people speak, and in our country we follow different kinds of faiths and beliefs, and we have different religions aspects also. And geographically also our country is something different, like we have Himalayan snow mountains and deserts and different kinds of forest and many rivers, and it is showing the diversity in geographical way also. And in our country we have different classical dance forms and many folk dances and different kinds of music and literature. It is also showing the diversity in their way. And we have different kinds of festivals and traditions which are very rich and varied in our country, and their celebrations get great favor throughout the country. And coming to food matter also, we have different kinds of varieties of food from north to south and east to west, completely vegan diet to also the non-vegetarian diet, and which have many flavors in the world. And clothing is also different from one place to another place because of their regions, weather conditions, and because of their local customs and traditions also. So in our country we have these many differences, but we all are together as Indians because of our patriotism towards our country. So children, let's do the worksheet part. Okay, coming to A bit, answer the following questions briefly. First one, on what basis is India divided? India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. The country is divided according to the languages spoken. Second question, what unites the people of India? Even though we have many different cultures, traditions, and many diversities, as an Indians, the patriotism towards the country unites the India. Third question, define diversity in your own words. According to me, it is country with vast area and diverse with respect to languages, geography, food, clothing. Even though because of all things we are not different, but we are united. B bit, say the answer yes or no for the following statements, children. Okay, first one, the 29 states and 7 union territories combine to form the country that is India. Yes. Clothing are different because of the season and the regional differences. Yes. Third one, all the Indian dances are alike, the only difference is their name. No. Fourth one, The food culture is varied and caters to all the flavors that could exist in the world. Yes. Fifth one, the sense of belonging unites the different people despite their diversities. Yes. So children, by this we have finished this worksheet also. I hope that you all finish this worksheet along with me. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.